Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what I'll be showing you is that how do we bypass TPM, right? So TPM is a new requirement in Windows 11. So how do we basically bypass that, right? So if you see over here, you can just do tpm.msc, msc. So something like this pops up, and then it just says compatible TPM. So it just shows you like if you have a TPM in your computer or not, right? So if you have it, you can enable it from BIOS as well. But if you don't have it, so what can you do? How do we basically install Microsoft Windows 11, right? That's our primary concern. So let's just close this thing. As you can see, I don't have a TPM on this machine. So I'll show you how do we bypass that. Okay, so just go to uh, your start and then just search for registry. Okay, so registry editor. You'll be basically asked like administrative privilege and just type in yes and all, and then basically you will be greeted with this kind of window here. So what I want you to do is just go to local machine, host key local machine. Within that, I want you to go to system sub menu, and within that, I want you to go to where is that file setup. Okay, so on this, we have like different kind of setups and all, right? So what I want you to do is just create a new and not anything else key. Okay, so I want you to create a key, name it lab config, and then just create a new keyword value. And then for that keyword value, what I want you to write is basically just edit it with FP, bypass secure boot check, and then I want you to create another keyword value, so 32-bit value. Then I want you to name it in this thing over here, bypass TPM check. Okay, and then I want you to go inside it, open it, and just double click it. The value data should be 1. See over here, the value changes, right? The last value changes. And again, 1 as well for both of them. Restart your PC after this, just close it. You're all good. Okay. So after that, you can just restart your PC and then you should be able to start installing your Windows 11. Okay. So even the insider preview is asking for TPM. I don't know why, but Windows clearly says we don't need it. But see, the download was stopping at 8%, so I just had to validate it. So I had already done this processes already, so it basically worked until now, right? So 28% download has been completed, so it should basically work in your PC as well. So that's how we basically bypass TPM requirement for Windows 11. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Take care. Bye bye.